Hello, everybody. My name's Anthony from Heal, Lead, and Teach. And so some of you may have watched a video not too long ago I made called Bells, Breathing, and Bass. And, like after watching that myself a couple times and looking at it, and it made me realize what I really want to say in that is about sound. It's about hearing the sound. And in that video, I don't know, I'm having trouble with getting certain things to work with mics and all that. I'm not very good with that piece of it, but doesn't mean I can't do this. So I'm just playing the bell for you a little bit because I want you to hear the vibration. It's not so much that every vibration is going to help every person, but what it does do is it wakes up the spirit within people. And it gives people hope, I believe, because that's what I think it did for me even when I was a young child in church. It gives me hope. And that's what I love about bells today. Still, the sound of the bell. The sound of a bell ringing and vibrating, because there's vibration and there's healing in vibration. That's what energy is. When we do healing touch or clearing energy, we're clearing vibrations and maybe bad energy we picked up from somebody else. So I just wanted to talk about that and how we can shake some of it off, because for some people it's very difficult to shake it off. But another way to do it is to breathe. And I've been reading some other articles on this, that how breathing can shift your focus, your attention, and how, breathing exercises and just taking a deep breath when we're nervous about either talking in front of somebody or delivering some type of presentation or whatever it is. But just getting into that slower breathing helps us actually think better cognitively and get clearer on what we want to do. So, and then the last part of that video was about the bass. And the reason I talked about the bass is because being in water is very healing. And there's a few other things that I've just read about that I want to talk about, but I'm not going to do it in this video, but about how water is just freeing. Even being around water is freeing. So, when I'm in water, I go away. I can't even explain it, because you go into this flow, whether your feet are standing in the ocean, you're in a bathtub, you're in a pool. Water has a way of just clearing. It's one of the elements, right? The air, the fire, the water, and the earth, and being able to ground. So I just wanted to say thank you for listening. And I'm going to be back, and I'm going to do more regular things with the sound, because I feel like the sound, the breathing, and water are the ways to heal for a lot of people. So thanks for listening. Have a great day, and I'll be back. Thanks.